That is the sound of a perfect pizza crust. The secret, a home oven's broiler and a baking steel. Let me show you. First, get your baking steel on the top rack about 7 inches from the broiler. Preheat the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit using convection for an hour. After an hour, it's time to switch to broil. This is where the magic happens. Launch the pizza onto the scorching hot baking steel and broil for 2 minutes. Check out those coils. So after 2 minutes, we're going to switch it back from broil to convection bake and let it finish in about 3 or 4 minutes. There it is. Perfect crust, perfectly cooked. And let's look underneath. The broiler method. It works every time.